Hey folks, Sunit Agrawal here with the Best Sac Homes Group and Big Block Realty North. Today I'm super excited to present one of my newest listings, 280 Summer Grove Circle in Roseville, California. 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, a little under 2,200 square feet. This house is immaculate. The owners have kept great care of it. As soon as we walked in, both Chris and myself were just commenting on how great it looks. So I can't wait for you to check it out. Let me know if you have any questions and we'll see you inside. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions on this listing, any other listings, or anything real estate in general, please reach out. I would love to help. Talk to you next time.